So I crashed, as usual, in probably the most inopportune place. Post sweet inverted. What is that? Just a long hang.
A bit of a dive.
And then tree. Yep. Right over there. Right about there. And probably down there. I am still connected.
Yeah.
As we just found out. Should we go see where the end of that road is?
We should do that.
Okay. How much time do we have till sunset, Benson?
About 25 minutes?
Yeah, so we got about 25 minutes till sunset. I noticed that the crossfire was still green, which means it's still powered, which means we actually have a chance of finding this thing. But, yeah, with this. This is what we're going through. On a cliffside. We got to go all the way around this to the other side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is getting exciting. I might need to start putting my camera away. So we're flying over there. Benson's taking a snack break. That's
Not sponsored by Skittles yet.
not yet. Yep. Caught that on camera. Yeah. It's getting darker. It's not a good thing.
Whew.
Yeah.
It's a lot of huckleberries.
Yeah, it's some shit.
Great.
We're almost there. I think it's just over the old ridge. All right, I think this is the tree I hit. So we're gonna head down there, see if we find it. Yeah. Let's move. All right, so you missed it off camera, but it is green. We heard it over there somewhere. We're gonna keep going. Yeah.
Yeah?
All right, ready? Further down? Down over there. Wow. Benson found it. It's down there. Luckily still had power. It's the only reason we found it. Hell yeah. Now it's getting dark. We're fucked. All right, Benson, it's getting pretty dark.
It is.
We found it.
We found it.
This camera doesn't do the darkness justice. It makes it look like it's daytime out. Peace. Thank you, Benson. It's dark now. Benson and I are maybe halfway. Can't even see him, it's too dark. Bye-bye.